Cleaning the HP 45 cartridges. A lot of them come with a little clip. Just pull off. And when the clip clean is the bottom, right here. You take a lint-free cloth, the ionized water, moisten it a little bit. And then drag your cartridge from the wet spot to a dry spot. So, do it again. Then put it back in your printer and try to purge it. Now before you put it away again, you should also, if it came with a capping station or capping clip, storage clip, clean that bottom off. There's probably dried ink on there. And before you put that cartridge back in here, make sure you clean the cartridge back off again. A better way to store the cartridge is with a Tupperware container, and either with a sponge in there or some moist paper towel, so you can just lay the cartridge inside there, and you can store a bunch of them in there at the same time. Just keep this moist. Then cap it, and it acts like a humidor.